Hey guys, it's Curly Girl Sisters here. I'm Rashida.
And I'm Serena.
And today we are going to be taking over my Butterbar Skin's Instagram stories, and we are going to be talking about some of their products as well as demonstrating them. Okay, so the first product we have to try here is the Black Honey Skin Balancing Cleanser. So it really does cleanse the skin without it feeling stripped.
Yeah.
Also, I think it did a really good job as far as makeup removal. So yeah.
Okay, so we're going to demonstrate the cleanser first, and we have our sinks right here on the side. So we'll wet our face and then grab some product, and we'll
show you guys
the consistency on camera and everything. So we'll go ahead and do that right now.
So as you guys can see, it has a pretty smooth consistency, not super foamy, but it does a good job at cleansing the skin. And today we aren't wearing any makeup, so as I mentioned, today we aren't wearing any makeup, so this is just on
like bare skin.
Bare skin, yes.
Probably have some dirt that needs to be removed from being outside and stuff.
Environmental things. And so after we washed it off, we just patted with a washcloth, and it made our skin really clean. It feels nice and prepped for the next steps.
So these products are great if you're looking for something all natural. I know lately we've kind of been like on that all natural wave, even like with our hair products and everything. So these are perfect if you're looking for that.
Yes.
Alright, so the next product or the next step is the Apple Honey and Green Tea Skin Balancing Toner. And this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, we've used a generous amount. Really love this toner. It's really nice at cleaning. It's really nice at removing the excess dirt from your face, and it doesn't make your face feel like stripped or anything, or like super dry. But it definitely has that natural smell of
but as I was saying before the Instagram story cut me off, it has the scent of like apple cider vinegar. So if you're familiar with that scent, this smells exactly like that.
So we'll go ahead and demo how we use that right.
Okay, you can use this two ways. Serena is going to be demonstrating it with a cotton pad, and I will just be spraying directly to the face.
So I usually do like 3 spritz on here.
And I just kind of just spray.
And then wipe.
But be sure that if you're going to spray it directly onto your face, be sure to make sure you close your eyes, because if you get it in your eyes, it does sting a little bit.
And then I just wipe it with the cotton pad like so on my neck as well. Like, as you guys can see, it got rid of a lot of the dirt that was on my face, and I just washed my face this morning, and then this is my second time washing it, and my face was still super dirty, so you can tell it took off a lot.
And you guys, I'm lazy, so I just sprayed on my face. I mean, to me, it's the same thing. So.
Alright, so the next is the serums, and the first one, we have different ones. So I have the Kale Carrot plus Spinach Serum, and this one, this serum is geared more towards people with normal skin, and my skin is very normal. I'm not dry, I'm not oily, I'm right in between.
And then I have the Watermelon and Prickly Pear Moisturizing Serum. So this is and this is more for people with normal to dry skin. I tend to be a little bit more on the dry side.
So we'll demonstrate that right now. I kind of shake mine a little bit.
So it's in our dropper. I just do like a few drops.
What I like to do is like do the on your face like this. Looks like you're crying. And then just wipe it in.
Alright. And personally, this is one of my favorite products out of the line. I just love how my skin looks so glowy.
Super glowy.
And moisturized, which is what I was really lacking in my skincare, was something really moisturized.
And I feel like mine really just balances out my skin. I feel like it makes just my skin tone very even, my texture very even, just everything makes it even. So it's a really awesome, both of them are really awesome serums. Okay, so the next products we're going to talk about together, because these we like to mix in together. So the first one is the Melanin Skin Nourishing Serum plus Melanin Protection Factors, and this is what it looks like. Again, use it a lot.
Yeah, and then the next thing is the Aloe Papaya Moringa Skin Balancing Moisturizer.
Alright, so with these, you can either put on the serum by itself, just like the other one, and then add the moisturizer. But like we mentioned, we like to mix it. So we first take like a pump or two, a pump and a half of the moisturizer. And then we take the serum, and then open that up. And then I like to add like 2 or 3 drops to it. Like so. And then just mix it in my hands together.
And then apply it. It smells so good too.
Feels like
so fresh.
So moisturized.
And moisturized.
Because my face gets so dry, like that cracking dry.
Yeah. I love to use these products at night just because they're so moisturizing. And when you wake up in the morning, your skin is glowing. Like, it is so nice. It is really nice.
And honestly, I've used these around the eye area. I mean, usually they say to avoid the eye area, but I feel like it doesn't.
Oh, as far as the under eyes, it kind of makes your under eyes a little bit bright too.
And it doesn't burn my eyes. And I have pretty sensitive eyes, so.
Right. So this, the Melanin Skin Nourishing Serum, is just supposed to balance your skin tone. And, you know, just make it all around, like, look the same, even. That way you don't have like dark spots or, you know, one part looks lighter than the other. So it's just supposed to even it out.
And I've had acne spots, and I've noticed ever since including these in my skincare regimen that it has definitely diminished a lot of those acne spots. Honestly, you guys, we both do still get acne. I mean, I just think it's like a hormonal thing.
Yeah.
But we have noticed that with using these products, it kind of keeps the acne a little bit more at bay.
Yeah.
It's a little bit less intense.
Exactly.
So that's always a plus. So guys, that's it for today's Instagram takeover. If you guys didn't hear before, our name on Instagram is @CurlyGirlSisters. We'll be sure to put it in the stories.
Yep.
And my Butterbar Skincare was kind enough to also give us a code that you guys can use.
It's BB Curly Girl Sisters. You should definitely check it out. Use our code to get some money off if it's your first time trying them and you're kind of unsure. But these are definitely Curly Girl Sisters approved.
Yes, but as well, we do have like some standout products. I have some, Serena has some, and we'll also share those with you guys.
Yep.
To me personally, I like the whole line, but to me, the standout products were these serums. And that's just because for me, I rely a lot on serums and oils because I do have that drier skin. So
for me, I really love the toner. I just feel like it just really cleans my skin, makes it even and balanced, and just gets rid of the extra dirt that maybe the cleanser didn't, you know, get rid of. And I also loved the Melanin Serum. I feel like it just also, again, balances my skin, makes it even and glowy. So I really love this one as well. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.